Hey there, it's Julie with Mary Ellen Tribby's team, and if your Gmail inbox is anything like mine, you get a ton of emails every day, which can be overwhelming and might cause you to miss important emails. So to help you with this, I'm going to show you how to quickly take control of your email inbox. So Gmail has three different tabs. The primary tab, which is the one you see when you log in, the social tab, and the promotions tab. And in case you didn't know, you can actually control which emails appear in your primary tab. So here's how to control what shows up there. The best part is this works the same whether you are on a Mac or on a Windows PC. So the first thing you want to do is open your Gmail inbox. So you can see we have a test account here and we have email in it, but nothing from Mary Ellen and the CEO's Edge. So let's go check the promotions tab. When you click on the promotions tab, you can see, oh, there it is. There's the email from Mary Ellen. So you click on the box right on the left and you drag this message where it says move one conversation up to the primary tab. And you'll notice after you let go there that you get this yellow box on the screen saying do this for future messages from Mary Ellen at MaryEllenTribby.com, and you want to make sure that you click this yes. So that will ensure that all future messages from Mary Ellen come to your primary tab. So if we go back to the primary tab, then you can see here's the message, Mary Ellen Tribby, CEO. And so now it's a permanent change, and that's it. That's all you have to do. All the future emails from Mary Ellen at MaryEllenTribby.com will show up in your primary tab.